This envelope contains documents from the traffic department, Marateten. You can see a couple of documents. It's cash ownership, what. Bring yours, and then we're gonna take out together. I'm gonna count all the certificates which are here. I'm sure. I fucking own a broker, chief. I fucking own a broker. What do you own?
I'm not here to compete about money. I'm not here to compete about money.
I was trying to be humble, my red. You can't certificates around, man, my sip. Evan, humble. Just because you know my voice, you think you know me. We don't pay like certificates. I have my certificates of ownership. Yeah, of my vehicle. Take out yours. Take out yours, no mountain. I don't you check from my house. We are trying to be nice here. We did this live to inspire people. You can't certificates house ownership. Then after we'll move to fucking properties, I fucking own a broker. I'll even show you how much the broker fucking makes today. Who's on fire like I'm home shop? Go see Pomaretta Marol. No Mawe. After check, we get him a humble Marao Connect, no Marm Sonayo. He can't certificate Maret. Who's like a Uber with a massive motor, what to do with this man? When I also have fucking lot of money in my brokerage firm. Maranga Serika Gareka. Just to make you happy. A loser like you. My red. Giving check ownership certificates, I'll show you mine.
Why are you crying? I'm
not crying, I'm angry. You just ticked off a bull.
Angry for what?
A bull is Emina, you are unhumble. I thought you are a nigga, you understand. Okay, you are nothing.
So for me to be humble, I must allow you to do what?
Emina, listen to me attentively. It looks like, listen, you have a problem with Forex traders. And already Marco showed you bank balances. You still don't believe. Now I'm going to show you the other side. What I'm asking from you is very simple. Go and take out the ownership certificates of the cars you own or a car you own. Let us start battling.
And I have already said.
Let us start there. I know oh, this guy, Ndika.
Yeah.
What's wrong with this guy? This boy seems to know a lot about people than we know about ourselves. Ndika, you are a witness. I've tried holding it. Mara, he just ticked. And when he said it, that he just came here to just tick me off with the rumors and whatever that he has heard. When he's discussing inside that Uber.
NSO's bro.
Marco,
you know, honestly, I've heard stories about NSO, bro. I've heard that guy.
No, the guy is fucked up.
The guy has nothing, bro, to show for nothing. I've heard stories about, I've heard stories, bro. I've heard even his ex. Bro, people talk, bro. People talk. Even they buy. Where's this place in Sunnyside? House 22. People bro. People talk.
I respected him as a human, but he's a piece of shit.
Look at this. I'm gonna motivate you one more time. Can you see this? This is a real app. You can see that it's counting down.
I can see it.
I'm gonna continue banking. Can you see that?
Let's see.
That is still there.
What is that? Wait.
15 million.
I saw it.
And this is a real app. A real app. This is FNB. This is a real app.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a real app, not a fucking screenshot.
And after he's gonna tell you what to do with your man, he's crazy. He wants to tell you that no, if I have 63, that's why you don't have it. That's why he doesn't have it. God can give 63 million to a big headless black man like him. For what? He's fucking crazy, that guy. He's fucking, he must take out, now I want one thing. I know. I want one thing only. He must just take out ownership certificates of his vehicles or whatever that he has. He must put them, we'll compare me and him, we'll battle. But when I reach car number 5, he will be down and out on the first one. But now I can't go around proving that. Ndika knows I came on this live. I told myself that I'm not going to take out anything or say anything extreme. Mari, he just pushed me. No, he just pushed me. I own a fucking broker. I own a fucking broker. That is worth 10 million USD. He's just pushing me. That small boy.
No, Coach,
Marco, that guy,
it's
in
fine,
2020, he asked for donations for people to help him buy a car. What kind of a hustler is that? People donated nonsense for him. He could have came to me, I would have bought him 16 cars.
I know someone
16.
who bought. I know someone who paid him 1,000 rand to play at House 22. 1,000 rand. They paid him 1,000 rand to play at House 22.
He gigs for free. Who books someone who's paying Gumka for 2 hours? Gumka for 2 hours. Oh, that boy will die poor. He's like other Forex traders. They can't prove it. When it comes to paperwork, they cannot prove anything. All they know is to talk about things that they don't know.
I just showed him a title deed. He's probably going to tell me it's fake.
Tell Marco, how can an estate hold a meeting against you that you are not part of?
And the same as this.
You don't know anything about only Innosol knows.
He will tell me that
what kind of a gossiper is that? You see, it's people who follow your pictures and they think they know you. Marata, we must come back.
He will tell me that this. He will tell me that this is not mine. This is not mine. But they're saying here, dear owner.
How can they call you dear owner if you're not?
Look here. You're gonna
He's
tell
gonna
me that.
tell you that no, you should have bought a house in Stain Seat. What the fuck? No wonder he doesn't even have $1 million in his account.
Please note that impact meters from Pro Admin.
Okay. Gentlemen,
I fucking spent over 32,000 on electricity in this house. 32,000 rand. He doesn't even make half of that. Electricity only. Every fucking month, especially when it's cold like this. Utomputang 32. He doesn't even have half of it. Electricity only. Oh, Mishima no.
Gentlemen. All right. Let's come back. I understand, Coach. I think he heard you. He heard you. He heard you.
He must not do that. He must not do that.
Did. Yeah.
He must not do that. He's fucking with the wrong crowd now.
Yeah,
we are going to fuck. He's a small fish. He must respect people. He must fucking respect people.
No, absolutely. Coach, let's wrap up on a positive.
We have lights in the
any last words?
We have lights. We have lights.